Saker reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to review their 42. Well, they called it a 42-in-1 screwdriver set, but their box says it's a 42-piece multi-purpose ratchet set. I said sure, and they sent it, and here it is. Here's all the contents. And like always, if you need to see that any longer, just pause the video. So let me get this open and check it out. Here's the case it comes in. Now it doesn't really have a latch, but it kind of feels like it's a magnet. But here's the tools that's in it. Now you have to put this in the right place or the lid won't shut, this foam thing. It just lifts out. I don't know why this is in here, unless these clips don't hold very tight, and they probably don't, because when I opened it, some of them was loose inside the case, and all of these was up like that. They wasn't down in all the way like that. But, you know, that's probably just from shipping, vibrating around and stuff. But anyway, let me hold it up again. You can, I'm not going to name off all the sizes. I showed you the box. It had the sizes on it. And you can look right here. And like I said, if you need to see it any longer, then just pause the video for the sizes. I don't know if you can see the sizes in there or not. Should be able to, if it would focus. Anyway, let's get some of this stuff out of here and check it out. Oh wow, I didn't expect that to do that. So check that out. This is kind of magnetic. You see the magnet in there? But whatever size that is, it'd be nice if it was marked. Unless that's just to hold the bits. Yeah, that's what it is. Let me get one. Let's just get the long Torx. Why not? Right? T30. And it's magnetic. Pretty strong magnet too. That's good. So you can use it like that if you need it. To use it like that. That comes off. Depending on how long you need it, you can hook a couple of them together. You can hook all of them together. You see what I'm saying? And it ratchets. Reversible ratchet at that. That's pretty nifty. I like that. Let's put them back. That's just so you can have different links to get in different spaces. And you can even take this off like I showed. And get it set down somewhere and put just a bit in here. That come in real handy, especially when you're using a short one. Oh, and I just realized these Torx, is this one? Yeah, they're tamper-proof too. You see the hole in them? Tamper-proof Torx. Anyway, you put a short one in there, and you can get right up close and personal with that, right? And you can take these ends off and use it that small. So that's good. This is neat. All right, I got some different screws. This is Phillips, this is a Torx, and this is, I don't know, 5/16 or maybe quarter. Probably quarter, yeah. Because that's what these bits are, right? It's quarter. So let's see how this thing works. In this minute, I got it set up on the longest form for the little quarter inch. Like this is a sheet metal, like zip screw. Does pretty good. And if you need to handle any longer, Do it like that. You see that? And that's with no bit, because that's a 1/4 inch. So let's try the Torx. Let's put the Torx in here. This is taking it out, obviously. Let's go back in with it. This little thing here is pretty neat. I like this. I didn't pay for this. They sent it to me to review, so that's what I'm doing, right? It's pretty cool. I like that. As long as you don't pull the handle off. So let's do the Phillips. We got the long bit, Phillips bit that comes in the kit. Number 2. Let me shorten this dude a little bit. Give me bigger handles. Look at that. That is cool. Probably should be using like a Robertson or something on this, because this screw is just about stripped out. But as you can see, it is getting it. Take the handle off this side, put it over here so it has a longer handle. Okay, obviously this is made for small stuff, tight spots, tight places that you can get into. Let's just use the same Torx I just was using. See, it's only this wide. Pretty nice. And if it's loose and you just want to run it down, you just put it there and just like a screwdriver. And then put it in here. These little magnets are pretty strong too. Turn it around, put the other handle over there. Then you got like a T-handle. It's pretty neat. Now, it doesn't come with any Robertson bits, which I wish it did. It goes all the way down to T5 on the Torx. That's pretty freaking small. That's pretty cool. That'd be handy for working on electronics and stuff. But it comes with these. 2 of these. Let's see. It says U4 and U6. I have no idea what these are for. I'm sure somebody does. Some people may have a use for them, but I don't. So instead of these, I wish it would have had Robertson's bits in here. You know, the square ones. That's pretty cool. Show you again, and it's got another one that can go there to make that even longer. And you know, like I said, if you need it any longer, all you have to do is put them all on here. And then it's long. You see? Pretty neat, huh? Matter of fact, it would have came in handy when I was putting some furniture together the other day. I didn't have it then. I do now though, right? So like I said, I didn't pay for this. They sent it to me to review. So thank you very much, Saker. This is pretty awesome. All right, well, that's the review. I don't know how else to demo this thing other than just showing you. I don't have anything to put together or anything to use it on right now, so, which is typical for most of the review videos. Stuff really don't come in when I'm needing it. It always comes in afterwards. That's always my luck. But this is awesome. I like this. This is going to come in handy. I don't know if I need to put this in my truck or just leave it here at the house for here. Let me put it all back in the case and show you that one more time. All right, here you go. Pretty neat. Now this piece here, I don't know if you really need this or not, but when you close it without this, all these will probably fall out, you know, from vibration or whatever. So what I found, instead of putting it up here and then having to fight where it's at to get it to close, because if it's on top of here, obviously it ain't gonna close. You just stick it like that in the middle and then close it. And there you go. And you see what it did when you open it back? It's on this side now, where it should be. That's pretty cool. I like that. Comes in a nice little case. You keep everything organized. Got to stay organized, right? Anyway, that's all I got for this review video. I appreciate it, Saker. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.